Today we will discuss about the topic preparation of alcohols. Preparation of alcohols. Alcohols are the derivatives of hydroxy derivatives of hydrocarbons. Alcohols are hydroxy derivatives of hydrocarbons, and the alcohols are the alkyl derivatives of water. Alcohols are the alkyl derivatives of water. The alcohols are named as in the IUPAC manner. The alcohols are naming with the suffix ol instead of e in the corresponding alkanes. In the corresponding alkanes, the alcohols are named as the suffix with the suffix ol instead of e in the corresponding alkanes. And in the IUPAC nomenclature of alcohols, first, for example, CH3OH. CH3OH. The IUPAC name of CH3OH is methanol. The IUPAC name of CH3OH is methanol. In the methanol, methane is the parent hydrocarbon. In the parent hydrocarbon methane, E is replaced with the ol. E is replaced with the ol. So the CH3OH name is methanol, and general name of this compound is methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol. This is the general name. And next one example, CH3CH2OH. The IUPAC name of this compound is ethanol. Ethanol. Ethane, E is replaced with ol. So this is the IUPAC name of this compound. And ethyl alcohol, it is the common name or general name of this compound. And next one example, CH3 CHOH CH3. The name of the IUPAC name of this compound is 2-propanol. 2-propanol or propane 2-ol. Propane 2-ol. 2-propanol or propane 2-ol. And the general name of this compound is isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. Iso means the hydroxy group is present in the secondary carbon. The hydroxy group is present in the secondary carbon. So it is named as iso. Iso, and this is propyl group. So isopropyl alcohol. In the simple manner, the OH group is present in the second carbon. The OH group is present in second carbon. So it is named as iso. So isopropyl alcohol. This is the general name. And IUPAC name is 2-propanol. And next one, CH3 CH3OH. The name of this compound is 1, 2, 3. 2-methyl 2-propanol. 2-methyl 2-propanol. The general name of this compound is tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary means the OH group is present on the tertiary carbon. The OH group is present on the tertiary carbon. So this is the tertiary and totally 3 carbon atoms containing hydrocarbon. So tertiary 4 carbons butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol. This is the general name. Okay, and IUPAC name is 2-methyl 2-propanol. 2-methyl 2-propanol. Okay, this is the tertiary butyl alcohol. And next one, preparation of alcohols. Preparation of alcohols. In the preparation of alcohols, the alcohols are prepared by the various ways or several ways. First one preparation method is preparation of primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. Primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols from Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. Very important in the preparation of alcohols. Preparation of alcohols. Preparation of alcohols. In the first one method, first we can prepare primary alcohol. The primary alcohol is prepared with a formaldehyde. Prepared with a formaldehyde. The formaldehyde reacts with the Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent means the alkyl magnesium halide is known as Grignard reagent. Alkyl magnesium halide is known as Grignard reagent. So it is one of the Grignard reagent. The formaldehyde reacts with the Grignard reagent. This name is methyl magnesium bromide. Methyl magnesium bromide. In the reaction, the methyl carbon ion is attacked on the carbonyl carbon. The methyl carbon ion is attacked on the carbonyl carbon, and magnesium bromide cation. Magnesium bromide cation or electrophile. This attacked on the oxygen. So it forms a intermediate product. The intermediate product is CH3, CH2, CH2, O minus and MgBr plus. This is the intermediate product, and the intermediate product followed by hydrolysis. Followed by hydrolysis. Hydrolysis means it reacts with water molecule. Okay, the intermediate product reacts with water is called hydrolysis. Gives H plus and OH minus. In the water, proton is attacked on the O minus and OH minus is attacked on the MgBr plus. So it forms CH3, CH2, OH, and also gives MgBr OH or MgOH Br. This is the additional product, byproduct. Okay, in this reaction we can prepare primary alcohol. We can prepare primary alcohol. Why we are called this is primary alcohol? Why? Because the OH group is binding. When the OH group is binding on the primary carbon, when the OH group is binding on the primary carbon, this is the primary carbon. Okay, the OH group is binding on the primary carbon is called primary alcohol. Okay, when the OH group is binding on the primary carbon, the alcohol name is primary alcohol. Okay, the name of this compound is ethyl alcohol. Okay, this is one of the preparation of primary alcohol. And next one, CH3 C double bond OH. The name of this compound is acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde reacts with Grignard reagent CH3MgBr. This is methyl magnesium bromide, Grignard reagent. The acetaldehyde reacts with methyl magnesium bromide. It gives a intermediate product. Okay, methyl carbon ion is attacked on the carbonyl carbon. MgBr plus electrophile is attacked on the oxygen. So it forms a intermediate product CH3. This methyl carbon ion is attacked on the carbonyl carbon. So this is the methyl group. CH3C, this CH3 and H. O minus and MgBr plus. This is the intermediate product. And the intermediate product followed by hydrolysis. Followed by hydrolysis. Hydrolysis. Followed by hydrolysis, it gives secondary alcohol. CH3, CH, OH, CH3, and also gives a additional product. This is the secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol. Why this compound is called secondary alcohol? Why this alcohol is called secondary alcohol? Which means that the hydroxy group is binding on the secondary carbon. So it is called a secondary alcohol. And the IUPAC name of this compound is 2-propanol. And the general name is isopropyl alcohol. Okay. Acetaldehyde reacts with the Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis gives secondary alcohol. And third one is CH3 C double bond O CH3. Okay, the name of this compound is acetone. Acetone. Okay, acetone reacts with the Grignard reagent. It gives a intermediate product. It gives a intermediate product, that is CH3 C, CH3 and O minus and MgBr plus. This intermediate product followed by hydrolysis, it forms tertiary alcohols, that is CH3 C, CH3 and OH, and it also gives additional product. This is the tertiary alcohol. Why? Because the hydroxy group is present on the tertiary carbon. So this is called a tertiary alcohol. Okay. This is the one of the preparation method of alcohols. Okay. Once again, formaldehyde is reacts with a Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis gives primary alcohol. Aldehyde is reacts with the Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis gives secondary alcohol. Ketone is reacts with the Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis gives tertiary alcohol. Okay, that's it.